Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, most gracious and most merciful. Excellency for Dr. Abi Hanif, Hanifuddin Mahadun MAG, and Dr. Khairatul Idawati Mahmud MPDI as the Director Pesantren Berkam Lari Banifida. Honorable for all my teacher, all my family, and all my friends. And then all family. My name is Azaki Tanjali. I'm from 10th class high school Al-Quran Lari Banifida, and I want to present an imagination map, and the title is Fingers of Sneezing. This is Scantily School and Zogi Study Published and Scientific Report and Poetic Sneezing Reflex and Type of
Panggilan kepada Mahareka, mereka sekiranya tunggu di sumber suara. Mahareka ditunggu di sumber suara. Bila mereka ditunggu Reska.
And actually syndrome and for the second is the sneeze reflex is and then like something we do and Alif's style clinic targeting, and then forming in London and via motor Nepwest 2 and Parnigal Male and respiratory modes. And then for the last is before the sneeze is that air awash and is do sense of drop steps to project and allergen or irritation and help get rid of unwanted and then particles from the body. Particles from the body is have thousands particles and cover sneezing bay. Sneezing is upper gym of tissue. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.